Understanding live hand-to-mouth, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring an interesting English phrase that you might have come across: live hand-to-mouth. This expression paints a vivid picture of survival and day-to-day living, but what does it really mean? Let's dive deep into its meaning, usage, and origin to help you fully grasp this phrase and use it correctly in your conversations. When someone says they live hand-to-mouth, they're talking about a situation where a person or a family only has just enough money to cover basic living expenses, with nothing left over for savings or luxuries. Imagine every penny you earn is immediately spent on necessities like food, rent, and utilities, with no cushion for the future. This phrase evokes the imagery of food going directly from one's hand to their mouth, symbolizing the immediate use of resources without the ability to store anything away. To better understand how live hand-to-mouth is used, let's look at some examples. Despite working 2 jobs, many people in the city still live hand-to-mouth due to the high cost of living. After the factory closed, many workers found themselves living hand-to-mouth, uncertain about their future. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to various situations to describe financial insecurity and the struggle to meet basic needs. The phrase, live hand-to-mouth, has been in use for centuries, with its origins tracing back to times when financial and social security were even more precarious than today. Initially, it might have literally referred to the act of feeding oneself without the means to store or save food. Over time, it evolved to symbolize the broader concept of living without the ability to save for the future, reflecting a precarious existence reliant on immediate resources. Understanding the context and connotations of live hand-to-mouth is crucial. It's used to express sympathy, concern, or awareness of economic struggles. It's important to use it sensitively, recognizing the hardships faced by those in such situations. Here are a few tips. Use it to describe economic conditions or challenges, either personally or in society. Avoid using it in a joking or light-hearted manner, given its association with serious financial difficulties. We hope this exploration of the phrase, live hand-to-mouth, has given you a deeper understanding of its meaning, origins, and use. English is full of such expressions that paint vivid pictures of life's many facets, and mastering them can add depth to your language skills. Remember, language learning is a journey. Keep exploring, and don't hesitate to reach out in the comments if you have questions or need further explanations. See you in the next video.